Have you been dreaming of a trip to the Grand Canyon that takes your breath away? The Grand Canyon All-American Helicopter Tour can fulfill those dreams in a very exciting way. You'll be picked up at your hotel in a limousine. You'll feel like a VIP cruising the streets of Las Vegas. Then, your helicopter will take you on a 45-minute flight to the Grand Canyon. Along the way, you will pass all the great sights, including Hoover Dam, Lake Mead, and Lake Las Vegas. The helicopter lands on the floor of the Grand Canyon 3,200 feet below the rim at a location only helicopters can reach. Here you are treated to a champagne lunch while you have time to enjoy the scenery and take photos to record this unforgettable moment. The return trip has another treat for you, a low-level pass over the Las Vegas Strip. The All-American Tour is the best Grand Canyon helicopter tour. In fact, it's our #1 most popular tour rated by our travelers. Continually receiving 5 stars and over 6,000 of them, this tour cannot be denied. Fans are raving. Click the link below to book a tour today. Like and subscribe to our channel for more great tours.